Hello my friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am Anouar LAACHIR from the Become Engineer Academy. In this video I will show you how to run Flutter from the command line. In the last video we've managed to create a new Android emulator. In this video, as I said, we'll create a simple Flutter project on the command line. The purpose of this is just to verify that we can run Flutter from Android. So let's tap command and run and type cmd. I will create a folder. I will name it, for example, Flutter. I will enter it, cd Flutter. Here I will create Flutter, create, for example, I'll name it or Flutter app, Flutter dash app. No spaces are allowed. We will wait. As you see, a lot of files and folders were created. Sorry. In order to run your application type, they give us how to. We will enter our Flutter app folder. So cd Flutter app. As you see, now we are in Flutter app. We will run Flutter run. I'm sure we will have a lot of errors, so I will show you how to fix them. If there is a problem that is not listed here, just as always put it in comments and I will solve it as soon as possible. So if everything is good, we will have here a show that shows us 0 with a text. So I'm sure that will be problems because lot of people have problems and I solved these problems for them. So as you see, execution failure for tasks, the Kotlin debug. So if you want more help, you will go to this site, but it will not be helped. So the solution I have made is to go to SDK tools, and we will install SDK command line tools. Okay, accept the agreement. It is about 104 megabytes, so I will just pause the video until it is done. Now after everything is done, we click finish. I will exit and enter another time. So cd Flutter app, Flutter run. We will just wait. As you see, we always have problems, so I will show you how to solve this problem. We will run Flutter Doctor I'm glad that we have lot of problems, so that we can solve them all. As you see, we have already installed Android Studio, but here it is not installed. So I will show you how to solve this problem now. Sorry, the video was interrupted. I will continue. Here we will type Flutter config -- Android Studio dir. I wish that you have not changed the default path of the installation of Android Studio. Colon / programs, program files / Android with capital A / Android with capital A Studio with capital S. As we say, setting value was. Now you may need to restart any open editors, so I will restart our editor and reopen it. Android Studio. We will wait until it loads. Hey, hello, please open. I will also close the command line. I will wait until the loading of components is done. Reopening files. I will just pause the video to not be long. Now we will cd Flutter up Flutter run. I wish we've solved all problems. I wish we have no why it's already opened. Q Flutter run. No, I don't know. Android Studio is already opened, so now it's good. Q. I will run Flutter another time. Now it's launching. I hope there is no other problem. It takes some time, so be patient. Because it's the first use. always after you close the Android Studio and you launch it, it loads all files from the beginning. That's why it takes more time than usual. And if you rerun it another time, it will be okay. It will be just fast. Hey, hello friend, hurry up. Now it's good. As you look, the phone preview has changed. Hello world. No, I didn't type hello world. That's for I execute it from here. Now we will wait. I will return and wait from the command line. If you have a prompt window, so you just click OK. It's about your GPU, graphical driver, so you will give it permission. Hello friend, we are waiting, always waiting. Don't know why. I will run it. Change directory, Flutter up, Flutter run. I think if we will pass this step, it will be good, because in other times it's always stopped here, and I think it will work, because he is taking more time. When he gives errors, it doesn't take all this time. So I don't know why he is very slow. In the other computer is working very good. I will pause the video another time. I will show you if there is error or not. It has passed. Now it will be shown. Yeah, that's good. Activating the dev tools. When shaving this step, it will be good. Now it's good. You have pushed the button this many times. That is 0. If you have this Flutter demo homepage, you are good and everything is okay. I will stop the video here, and in the next video we will talk or set up Flutter on Android Studio. So see you in the next video.